Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw analytics reports with Supermetrics into Looker Studio step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Supermetrics website. Log in to your Supermetrics account. In the Supermetrics interface, locate the add-ons menu in your Google Sheets or the platform you are using. Click on Supermetrics to expand the drop-down options. Select Start from the Supermetrics menu. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. In the sidebar, select the data source you wish to pull analytics from. Log into the selected data source if prompted. Once logged in, choose the specific metrics and dimensions you want to include in your report. Set any filters or date ranges to refine your data as needed. After configuring your options, click on Get Data to Table. Your selected data will now be imported into your Google Sheets. Ensure the data looks as expected and is formatted correctly. Now, open Looker Studio in a new tab. Click on the Create button in Looker Studio. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu. Locate and choose the option for Google Sheets. Connect to the Google Sheet that contains your Supermetrics data. Authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Sheets account if needed. Once connected, select the specific sheet that contains your report data. Confirm the data fields you want to include in the Looker Studio report. After finishing this setup, click on Add to Report. Your data is now linked, and you can begin designing your report in Looker Studio. Customize your visualizations using charts, graphs, and tables as required. Adjust any settings or styles to match your reporting needs. Once satisfied, save the report in Looker Studio for future use. Review your report to ensure everything displays accurately. Finally, share or export your Looker Studio report as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.